Now, residents of Teshie and its environs have been enlightened on education and its importance to the society and the world at large. The event, which saw over 700 students or children benefiting, was organized by a non-governmental organization dubbed Rescue Me Foundation. The president of the foundation, Charles Japon, said it is essential to invest in the health and education of children for a reliable future.
Ghana's education system is faced with major challenges in access and participation, including the low enrollment of girls, low quality in teachings and learning materials. Even though government has recorded some success in this field over the years, it appears the sector is still struggling with a whole lot of challenges. As part of efforts to support the foundation, has enlightened residents of Teshie and Tiwe on the importance of education and issues related to quality healthcare delivery. President of the foundation, Charles Japon, says enough needs to be done to support the development of children.
We've been engaging stakeholders, partners to give back to our communities. We specialize on the less privileged in our communities, not just in the villages, but in the big cities, in communities where they are less privileged. So today is a typical example of what we do for those who are less privileged in our community.
Apart from that, the NGO also donated items worth thousands of Ghana cedis to the residents. Some of the items include stationery, drugs, medical health screening, among others. The public relations officer of the NGO, Eric Doku, says the donation is in line with the 12 years anniversary of the foundation.
For us as an organization, our mainstay is about health, improving health conditions among communities, especially deprived communities, and also to ensure that every child has that capacity to go to school. So we encourage children a lot. We do mentorship programs, and mostly our programs are for children in deprived communities. And also, we are also here today to look at the health concerns of the people around here, especially reproductive health, and also health conditions that have to do with poor sanitation and so on. So if you look at the crowd here, today we've seen very, very old women and men coming here for healthcare. Most of the time, when we go for these campaigns, you see relatively younger people coming around. Today we've seen older persons coming around. Now, this is the second successive program within a short time, in 2 months, that we have organized. One was done in Gomwa, and this one is done in nearly the center of Accra. And we've seen the impact. Usually where we see people in the middle of Accra, people are so busy, they are going to look for what they will eat. But I believe the message that we sent out there caught up with the people, and they've come in their numbers. Look at the number of children who are around to want to find out exactly what we can do to help them. And of course, we are ready to help them in so many ways.